Hi, nice to be with you again. Today we're going to take some simple zucchini and roast it to what I think is perfection in the wonderful little kitchen appliance, the Ninja Foodi. Now it's a really simple process and you can modify the herbs to your own liking if you wish. Well, let's go make some zucchini. Now, even though the extra virgin olive oil is an oil that's good for you, it's also great to be able to roast vegetables using so little. So what do you think? Leave me a comment or drop me a message. Oh, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then hit that bell so you're notified when new videos are uploaded. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day. I'm wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.